Well, good morning. Merry Christmas. It is December 25th, 2025, here in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. And as you can see, there is snow on the ground. We got this yesterday. Or actually not last night, the night before. And we only got about 5 inches. But here we are. Oh boy. I'm trying to think. It's excuse me, about 8 degrees. And it's about 8:30 in the morning. Oh, I still got these Christmas lights on. Put a little thing around. And I have some in the window. Getting ready to go to church later. Gotta feed up those bird feeders. Hey, you can see the roof didn't get done. I'm gonna wait till the spring. It's just too cold. So, and hopefully this year I'll actually, instead of just throwing some plants in, to have plants to be able to do a decent garden. And put down the block for the fire pit. I did get a cover. You probably can't see it because I can't zoom with this GoPro. But anyway, I don't see any critter tracks. So the bears are in hibernation. The bird feeders are about halfway full. So we're supposed to get some snow, let's see, today's Thursday, so I think Saturday a little. Nothing major. And maybe some, oh, there's Mr. Jakey. Oh, good morning, Mr. Jake. Oh, yes, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You sniffing anything? Huh? All right, I know it's time to eat. I know. And actually, in terms of eating, I'm making a rib roast today. Excuse me, 5 pound. So I'll be able to, just been organizing everything inside. So be that you could see the shingles. So we're going to put it in the oven. And so it should be delicious. Looking forward to that. And I'll probably put a fire on later. It's going to be cold again tonight. And Jeep's been running great. I had the driveway plowed once before, so I'm able to get up and down with the 4-wheel drive. And so it's all good. See the birdies this morning. But it's just a quick hello. So ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Very important day. And God bless until next time.